was my dog opened my window when we were in the middle of a car wash, and there was pink stuff all over the inside of his car.
What?
But he was at the
here,
car
man.
wash. He just got it
What are
cleaned
you
up
doing?
as soon as he finished.
This is my first.
Stop.
This is my first video of recording us going to a car wash.
You should look out the window and then just keep
Hey, stickers, that's cool.
it. Yeah, but if you keep it like that when you start going, then they'll see you.
Hey, Mom, are you so excited for a car wash?
My window is.
What's wrong with a car wash? It's not going to be that terrifying. Besides,
When you were little, Ramses, you used to be terrified of the car wash. You cannot be inside the car when we are going to give it a car wash because you will freak out and hyperventilate.
well, today I'm not afraid anymore.
No, no water.
That's right. Stop being afraid.
If Storm was in his car during the car wash, she
Ramses,
would.
give me something. Just stop being afraid.
Yeah.
If Storm was in his car during the car
So when you got 15 years old, you were no longer afraid.
When I
the
think
car
when Herman used
They're
to
starting to
love
clean the
car
car
wash.
now.
Cindy used to drive home, pick him up, take him to the car wash to wash her car.
I was basically.
My window has like a light choke, it just slurpy.
Diana, I see the back of the.
The car is going to be pretty clean. A lot, like all.
And then Ramses,
It's not done.
What kind of soap is that?
Blue soap.
Blue soap.
Lava
Oh
soap.
yeah, some blue soap over here.
Don't worry.
No, it's Nebula soap.
It's not lava.
That's
It's just,
lava soap.
it's blue soap.
It's like the stuff that spiders spit out of their mouth when they're trying to kill little animals. But they don't know it cannot kill us because we're inside the car.
Storm would be so scared right now. Storm would be so
Herman, your
scared.
window! It was a cockroach.
No, the Buddhas. Full immersion.
She was like this, on the edge of the tub like this. She would not move. She stayed there. So I stared at her for like a minute. She did not move. The cockroach didn't move.
Holy cow, dude.
How my foot just get wet? As soon as the cockroach
Herman.
right out. Say, don't
Ah.
eat it, don't eat it.
Herman, turn your light on. Herman, turn your light on.
She was so still. Like, you didn't even see her move.
Wait, we're going to see the light again. Turn your light off, John. We're going to see the light.
One move and she goes, damn.
Turn your light off. We're about to see daylight again.
How big was the cockroach?
But I said, oh my, I called the people, said they come next to the spray.
There's the water.
Because they can't put their
Holy cow, dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, holy cow, guys. There's some water. There.
Stop what?
Sorry.
What's wrong, Memphis? Did you not just stare at the camera?
What? You cannot look at people's faces with the camera.
You can't stare at someone while the camera to their face.
Sorry, Herman.
And nobody's face on camera.
Sorry.
15 seconds straight.
I can. We're about to come out and see the day again. Now we're getting dry now.
Oh my god, it looks so cool. They all just
We should make human wash. So when we leave a human, get on a little
Oh, the babies are going this way.
They have that city or something.
Oh yeah.
They're all going.
I'll get a very quick shower.
there, we're out.
Didn't they say something about paint?